Hi, my name is Taresh Bhatia. I'm a certified financial planner. This presentation is about what is and who is a financial planner and do you need. So, is a financial planner like a calculator? That's what you think. I think is more like a compass who gives directions, like a lighthouse who provides you where to go and not. A balloon which takes off and has a compass and knows the directions. As Warren Buffett said, save. Do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving. I, Taresh Bhatia, am an expert financial advisor. I make you more, do more with your money, and I'm professionally qualified to do so. My advice financially empowers you to do more with your systematic savings and goal trackings. Among my qualifications is CFP, Certified Financial Planner from FPSB India, and MBA from IMI New Delhi. I am the partner in Advantage Financial Planners LLP, a firm registered with SEBI as Registered Investment Advisor (RIA). Do not just dream. Make your dreams come true through a structured financial planning. I, Taresh Bhatia at Advantage, a financial planning firm, helps you make informed investments, improve your financial security, and achieve your financial dreams. Financial planning is for you if you want money to work for you infinitely, or you want to eliminate trial and error, or maybe you want a defined path to your financial goals, or you want to redesign your financial net worth, or let me say you're willing to be financially successful. Isn't it one of you? Well, my clients have hired me for my advice when their financial goals, which are different in different life stages. For example, a person who is unmarried could own a car, could be a goal for him. If he is married without children, a person's goal could be buy a house. If his person is married with children, then his goals could include children's education, marriage and all, and while he may be planning for his retirement. So travel expenses, medical expenses and domestic expenses could be the goals while you're looking for retirement. I call it the 7 colors of life. The 7 colors in terms of life security. If you're married, then your children's education, your children's marriage, your family's health, basic health, accident coverage, critical illness coverages. I would call it other kind of goals, which may be holiday, home car, retirement or wealth creation, and the last will and estate planning. Is this one of your goals? Let me take you to the journey to financial success, and let's look at what is needed to make you rich. Is it? Why? Why do you need a goal achievement process? For this, it is a gray area for most of the people. Why? Because when they have the goals, they would like to know the right methods. I provide that focus area, I provide that know-how, and put in the right action plans. Advice people have hired me or signed me up for includes their financial goals, investments on one side, and systematic savings to realign with financial times and bring in security. Financial empowerment is achieving your financial goals, less of fears in order to realize your total ability. The fears must be removed, knowledge, the right knowledge be added, and right action plans be put in place. With this, I call it financially empowerment. Fear factors could be lack of knowledge, past experience, anything else, or mental block. So my interactions over the year with you as your financial coach would be to remove all these fears and bring a stable financial growth towards your financial goals. What people get is lots and tons of information which they put together and say, I have knowledge about financial planning. No. I will remove all those dots and the lines you have connected and bring you wisdom to your financial plan and bring you what I say, financially empower you with my unbiased, fair advice. Smoothing out the trajectory, minimizing risk on one side, optimizing the returns on the other side, tell you to invest in diverse instruments. Diverse instruments could be anything from PPF to FDs and other investment opportunities. I'll be your financial coach for the year. I, Taresh Bhatia, founder and partner at Advantage Financial Planners. I am different. as I am certified by FPSB India as CFP. My SEBI registration, our firm is registered with SEBI as Registered Investment Advisor. Both these bring to you and to 64 families who have benefited so far from my advice, continuity of expertise and my experience, my latest tools, research updated, confidentiality about what you tell me, and compliance with the regulations, put in place the progress and goal tracking measures. My 26 years experience, 14 years as an entrepreneur, and last 12 years in financial world, in insurance, mutual funds and financial planning. With this industry exposure and having worked with various organizations, my education as an MBA, as a CFP, brings along with that many conferences, trainings, seminars which I continuously attend to bring updated knowledge and skills for your financial planning. The process begins. How do you enroll? Your first interaction as a low cost so that we can develop and understand what is financial planning, put up the goals and start the process. With an agreement on goals, a time frame and cost plan, sign up for the Financial Coach Center with me, Taresh Bhatia, and we put in place your risk profiling, your solutions overview, and how do you achieve a step-by-step approach to your financial planning with various tools in order to achieve what your financial goals are. With our scope of services having defined financial goals and milestones, we collect your information, income, expense, savings. We give you advice on risk protection, insurance, life, health, critical illness, basic advice on asset allocation, developing your net worth analysis, mapping your funds and goals, developing your retirement plan, developing asset allocation, developing investment plans, developing the basic current investment analysis, integrating your current investments into the goals, and developing optimized tax plans for you, and therefore set up alerts and reminder systems, consolidate all your goals, funding, and map it to the future goals which you have, and therefore develop an integrated comprehensive financial plan and set up finally reviews and telephonic sessions. So good plan today is better than a perfect plan tomorrow, said Winston Churchill. Remember, inflation and taxation may not take you in a long way. An example could be a 40-year-old person who plans to retire at age 60 and has a lifespan of let's say 80, has a monthly expense of 1 lakh today, will become at inflation of 9%, would need a monthly of 3,87,000 at age 60, increasing till age 80. He would need a corpus of 7 crore 75 lakhs. For this, he needs to accumulate 78,000 per month at a pre-retirement assumed rate of return of 12% and post-retirement assumed rate of return of 9%. This is an example of what I do. If you have been putting your amounts in FD, fixed deposits, at 9.5% with the taxation, which is if you are in the highest tax bracket of 30.9%, the effective yield could come down to 6.56% and inflation could reduce it further to minus 1.44%. So with my advice, you would learn all these basics and understand things like asset allocation, which is diversifying your investments with common sense strategies to put in place, tailor-made to your needs and goals, your risk profile, your financial goals and asset allocation. You would be on a defined path to your financial success. Like a lot of my clients who are working with Dell, IBM, HP, Airtel, Cargill Foods, builders, real estate brokers, architects, doctors, lawyers, Vastu, Feng Shui and astrologers, pilots, businessmen and entrepreneurs. My clients feel satisfied. Let's understand what they say. A trustworthy friend, more an asset. Taresh is someone who would come out as a friend. Taresh is thorough with his work. With no shortcuts, he makes sure that you get 100% benefit for his clients. He tells you many critical things no one would have. Interacting with Taresh brings in certain things in life. Financial planning takes a backseat. But with his approach, these things become urgent and important. Else would have not been able to plan for these. This is what my clients have to say. So contact me, Taresh Bhatia, at email taresh@advantagefp.in or visit our website advantagefp.in or call me at 98-101-44683. Cheerio, bye, we'll be in touch. Thank you.